This.
Yeah, I gotta get a quarter hour.
Damn.
Everybody stop talking.
What?
Oh yeah, so much.
Bro.
So
mind if I hear this, baby?
Yeah, sure. That's right.
Well, what kind of exhaust are you running on this, baby?
I think it's Rush, I think.
Roche?
Yeah.
Dude, sticking out the sides too, eh? Oh, you running boost, bro? Woo! Oh, I love the sound. Hold on. 1 second, I gotta hear this. You hear that, bro?
Yeah, man.
Yo, did that hit VTEC? That was dope.
Thanks, man.
Good job, man. Good job. That thing was loud.
Dude, prochargers sound amazing. Very trying to argue with me, but I love the sound of that.
That's crazy. Do you have to oil the bearing in there?
I think you do, actually. 15,000K, I think you have to do it, so I'm still far away from
15,000K?
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
I probably only put 5,000, if that, so far this year.
Yeah.
I traded my sport bike for this thing.
For this thing?
Yeah.
Like the supercharger or the whole vehicle?
Just the supercharger. And then it cost another $4,000 to put it in with Tony's labor, and so it's still needs some tweaking in the tune for sure.
Yeah.
Not building boost all the time properly, but
Does he do dyno?
when it does, no.
No? So what are you gonna do?
So get him to tweak it, give him some more time with it, I guess, and see what we can do.
That looks freaking dope. That's a 5.7, eh?
Yeah.
What year?
05.
05? What about the body?
05 as well.
I think you got a drop kit on this thing.
Yeah, I think it's 3 inches, I was told.
3 inches?
Yeah.
Damn. Looks freaking dope, though.
Yeah, thanks, man.
It's really warm.
Yeah, right? I know. It's touching that.
Did you have to upgrade the radiator at all?
It's got the intercooler or the outer cooler, one or the other, but I think it's still factory rad.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
What are the plans for the future on this baby?
Probably paint it. I want to maybe do it the same color as my truck, like a bright fire truck red.
Tires, what are you rolling on around? Like 275s all around kind of
I
thing?
tried that, but even 245s are rubbing in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, 275s in the back.
Wow.
Yeah, so we did wires, plugs, injectors, and then a tune and labor. Ran 4Gs.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'll never get that money back out of this bad boy, but
Now, here's the ultimate question. Did you change the internals?
nope. No, so it's running, I think I have 290,000K on it, so.
Whatever. If you break it, you break it, right?
Exactly.
Or you can change, you got new internals,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. I'm at the budget for this year, though.
What's the PSI?
8, I think, is what we're
8?
running at, yeah.
Nice. Not bad, man. Driving in winter, too?
Yeah, windward, I guess, like on dry days anyways, because thing breaks loose just like right now.
Just by sitting down. It's breaking loose right now. It's not even on.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Nice.
I got winters for it too, but I don't know. I won't drive it in the snow probably anyway. It's just too deadly.
Any reason you got a Magnum?
I actually traded up. I always wanted a V8 car, so.
How big's the throttle body, actually? Did you change that?
I'm not sure. No, that's factory. The guy got it off, told me I had a whole bunch of stuff done, and I didn't know much about it, and I believed him, but I guess he said it had a bigger throttle body, which it hasn't got.
Yeah.
And says it has headers, which it does have, surprisingly.
Yeah.
But he also said it had a whole bunch of internal stuff done, which Tony's, by like looking at it, he said it didn't.
Didn't. He just said that to sell it, right?
Yeah, exactly. And like me had never driven a V8 car before, I guess. And when I got it in, I was like, yeah, it seems like it's all there, but
cool. Well, what's the gas mileage on this baby?
not good.
Not good?
I can watch the needle pretty much go down in it.
What, 3 miles per gallon?
Yeah.
So you definitely got to get a tune on that one, man.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
The economy tune next time.
Yeah, for sure. Just boost it down a little bit.
Yeah. You swap it out for a four cylinder.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, thanks for checking it out.
Yeah.